Hi friends, this is fourth video on my channel. So after previous video, we were going to discuss about all the amino acids and how to remember them. But honestly, I don't want to give you any instruction. I just want to provide you some overview about which are they all the amino acids. So first is glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, proline, methionine, phenylalanine and tryptophan. ये 9 अमीनो एसिड ऐसे अमीनो एसिड है जिसमें साइड चेन नॉन पोलर है। उसके अलावा जो बाकी के अमीनो एसिड है उनमें साइड चेन पोलर है। उसमें से कुछ सीरीन, थ्रेओनिन, सिस्टीन, एस्पारजीन एंड ग्लूटामाइन ये अनचार्ज्ड पोलर अमीनो एसिड्स है और जिसमें साइड चेन अनचार्ज पोलर अमीनो एसिड है। और उसके बाद टायरोसिन, लाइसिन, अर्जिनिन, हिस्टिडीन, एस्पार्टेट, ग्लूटामेट इसमें साइड चेन चार्ज्ड है, चार्ज्ड polar side chain, amino acid with charged polar side chain. So if you want to remember them all, you just can simply divide them in this type of classification. You are dividing them on the basis of their side chain. Means if some of the amino acids contain aliphatic chain, so they are chemically divided on the basis of their chemical nature of R group. R group means side chain, that is aliphatic, which contains 4 amino acids, that is glycine, alanine, valine and leucine. After that, aromatic ring, as I told you in previous video, phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. These 3 amino acids contain aromatic ring. After that, serine and threonine, those contains hydroxyl group. Then carboxylic group contain asparagine and glutamine. Then sulfur containing cysteine and methionine. Then amino means proline. प्रोलिन के बारे में मैंने आपको बताया था कि एक्सेप्शन है जिसकी साइड चेन अमाइनो ग्रुप से अटैच रहती है, इसी कारण उसको सेकेंडरी अमाइनो एसिड बोला जाता है। उसके बाद है अमाइनो ग्रुप जिसमें लगा होता है वो है लाइसिन और अर्जिनिन, और एक है अमाइड ग्रुप, वो है एस्पार्टेट और ग्लूटामेट। इसी के बेसिस पे हमने सारे अमीनो एसिड को डिवाइड किया है। और एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात जो मैं आपको बताना चाहता था, इन 20 अमीनो एसिड के अलावा और कुछ अमीनो एसिड भी होते हैं, 2 एक्स्ट्रा अमीनो एसिड जो है सेलेनोसिस्टीन और पायरोलाइसिन। सेलेनोसिस्टीन इज 21st amino acid and pyrrolysine is 22nd. These two amino acids are not officially included in amino acid 20 amino acid because of obvious reason that they not totally participate or they don't have totally characteristics of normal standard amino acid. And we can see some similarities between standard amino acid and these two extra. In 21st selenocystine, we can see the structure matches to cysteine. And cysteine contains sulfur group. But in this, instead of sulfur group, instead of sulfur, it contains selenium group, and that is why it is called as selenocystine It's only one difference. One more thing is that it is specified by Kotan UGA, and another, say 22nd amino acid is pyrrolysine. It is mostly present in bacterial proteins and coded by UAG codon. Selenocysteine is coded by UGA and pyrrolysine is coded by UAG codon. These are the structures. Selenocysteine matches to cysteine structure. The only one difference is that it contains selenium instead of sulfur in its side chain. And pyrrolysine, as you can see, is similar structure to lysine. And these are all the amino acids. One last time we are seeing them. First is glycine, which contains hydrogen group only. Second is alanine, which contains methyl group. Then valine, then leucine, then isoleucine. If you want their particular structure, you can watch previous videos where all the diagrams of all 20 amino acids are given, and 2 extra amino acid structure are here, selenocysteine and pyrrolysine. The most easiest way to remember them by dividing them or classifying them according to the chemical nature of R group, means side chain. That is just similar to their side chains group or their nature. And that is the video, guys. Thank you. If you like it, please like and subscribe. I don't think so that many watches instead of only me. But after 2-3 years, if you find it, these videos that I make in my first some of the days, I feel proud and you can comment here. मैं यहाँ पे एक भविष्यवाणी जैसा कर रहा हूँ कि 2 साल बाद अगर मेरा चैनल थोड़ा भी ग्रो करेगा तो यहाँ पे आप कमेंट छोड़ सकते हो। और उसी याद के लिए मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि आज मेरे डब्बे में अंडे की सब्जी आई थी। एक ही अंडा दी साली ने 2500 रुपये भाड़ा देता फीस जो भी है मैस की। प्याज भी नहीं दी, नींबू भी नहीं दी। चलो ठीक है, बाय, गुड नाइट। कल फिर से एक वीडियो आएगी। कल कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग सा टॉपिक सोचेंगे, रिप्रोडक्शन या फिर स्पर्मेटोजेनिस जैसा कुछ, टू चेंज सम टेस्ट। अल्टरनेटिवली हम बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स लेंगे। अभी अमीनो एसिड हुआ, उसके बाद कार्बोहाइड्रेट ले सकते हैं, लिपिड ले सकते हैं। ओके बाय, थैंक यू।